Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Tiny World Kitchen. Today we are going to make small egg omelette. First we will take egg. Then we will add onion. Same by tomato. Then we will add salt. Then we will add red chili powder. Next, coriander leaves. Then we will mix it well. Before mixing, we will add turmeric powder. Now the batter is ready to mix. Now our batter is ready. Secondly, we will apply oil on the pan. Next, we will make our omelette. Now, we will turn our omelette. Finally, our omelette is ready. Our omelette is ready to serve.